Hide or unhide likes count on Instagram. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. So firstly what you need to do is you have to firstly open your Instagram app and then click on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. After that you come to your profile page and here you can choose any of the post that you want to hide or unhide like count. So let's see, I choose this post. So to hide or unhide like count, what you need to do is you have to click on the three dots of this post and here you can see the second last option, hide like count. So you can click on the hide like count and now like count is hidden. So you can do this with the other post that you want to hide. So you can click on the three dots of this post and then click on the hide like count, second last option of this pop-up menu, and you can hide the like count by doing this. So this is the for the older post, but if you want to do this on the newer post, then what you need to do is you have to choose the any of the post and then click on the this arrow in the top right corner, and then you come to this page and here you have to again click on this arrow in the top right corner and then you come to this page and here you can see the advanced settings in the most bottom corner, most bottom of this page. Click on the advanced settings and here you come to this page. Here you can see the hide, like and view counts on this post. So you can see this. So you have to toggle on this option to hide, like and view counts on this post. So that's it, that how you can do this on the newer post, and then you can post it by clicking on the by adding all the things that you want. So that's it, that how you can do this on the new post. And to unhide like count, you have to again go back to the post and then click on the three dots and then you can see the unhide like count, second last option. Click on the unhide like count and it will unhidden the like count. So that's it, that how you can do this. So that if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.